Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Komal Verma, final year engineering student, and this is my vlog. So guys, let's start the day. It's 4 am in the morning and here I am setting my goals of the day. Making a list of target always gives you motivation to be more and more productive. So my first session is about to over and now I am going for the morning walk. My half an hour walk and spending some time alone always gives me instant sense of calm. Oh, I remembered. There's one story about 3 stripes of the squirrel. Squirrel has 3 stripes at the back. So now this is my question to all of you. If you all know about this story, comment down below. I'll answer in the next vlog. After coming from outside, I took a shower and now we'll go to have breakfast. As you all know, my phone always slips down. So today I did some jugaad, some hacks. My second session started from 8:15 to 1:15 and I was studying industrial engineering. It was a very long session. Today I learnt about inventory. Basically, inventory is a stock on hand which helps for the purpose of later use or sale. Later I had my lunch and took a 2-hour break. Started my third session at 3 p.m. In my third session I studied material science. It was 2-hour long session. So this session is over and now the time for online assessment of placement. It's a 2-hour long assessment and best part is that webcam and microphone should be on so I can vlog and we'll meet after the assessment session. Hey guys, assessment session was very nice and it's over now and now I'm going to market to buy some snacks and milk. In my fourth session, I am covering today's editorial part. So finally I have completed my 12-hour target of studies, excluding online assessment. Before ending this vlog, I would like to share a news which I came across yesterday about world champion weightlifter Sunita Devi. Maybe you know or not, Sunita Devi has won gold medal in World Strength Lifting Championship in 2020, and it's very sad that presently she is working as a domestic helper in a village to survive. Whenever I came across this type of news, the only question which came in my mind after reading news is like, do she really deserve this after representing our country India at international level? This was my vlog, guys. Good night. Good night, everyone.